Why is yawning so contagious? Is it a glitch in your brain? You're not alone, and here is why. One reason is empathy. If you yawn when someone else does, it's because your brain is wired to feel what they feel. If you don't, well, maybe you're not as empathetic as you think. Another reason is mirror neurons. These brain cells make you copy actions automatically, like a reflex. It's science, not free will. Also, survival plays an important role. Ancient humans might have yawned to keep their group alert. No yawn, no warning. Maybe that's why even animals like lions and dogs do it. So what does it say about you? Are you yawning yet, or are you fighting it? Good luck with that.